So yeah, that data.bin file, or whatever you want to call it, .bin, you could take that and you could put that into, say, a typical Mini Pro EEPROM programmer, you know, the TL866 I think it is. It'll read it straight in, so you can actually burn EEPROMs from the data that you collect from this tester. So you could read an EEPROM off the board. Say the EEPROM is actually soldered on the board, you don't have to remove the EEPROM, you can actually read the contents out the EEPROM. It will give you a CRC for it, and also it will create the bin file, which you can then put on a USB stick, etc., and put into a Mini Pro programmer and burn another EEPROM if you wanted to. So you can do all that. It's completely transportable. That's pretty much it. As I say, I'll do another video which will then go into the different features. So I think the next video I'll do will show the probe and what you can do with the probe, because effectively the probe is the eyes of the tester. So not only can you connect it up to a board, you can use the probe to do different things, and I'll show you all that in the next video. So that's really the introduction of the tester. And that's it. If you want to shut the tester down, you close it down. You can either do the menu to get all that up, or you can press the Windows key, as it, you know, and you can do the same thing. So for example, if I press the Windows key, you get exactly the same thing. And what you need to do then is go to shutdown, and then it will go through that. When the screen goes white, you can then take the power off it, and it's safe to unplug. And that's your tester turned off. To turn it back on, you have to unplug it and then plug it back in. You won't be able to start it back up as it stays like that. And that's what I call the AR81 tester. The reason I call it AR81 is because AR is for arcade use, 8 is for an 8-bit, and 1 is the first tester basically I've made. So that's why I called it the AR81. So it's not too bad. At least I've managed to get through this, so that's quite good. And I'll do another video now of the probe and what you can do with that, and then I'll take it from there. We'll do some more. Thanks very much.